What's the meaning of clandestine? Clandestine. Clandestine.
Clandestine. Clandestine. Clandestine means something that is kept secret and hidden, often because it is illegal or improper. It can refer to activities, relationships, or objects that are hidden from public view. Clandestine operations often take place in secret, with a select few people knowing about them, and they may involve spies, conspiracies, or covert actions. The term can also be used to describe relationships that are kept secret, such as affairs or illicit romances. Overall, something that is clandestine is done in secret and hidden from view.